I had tofu in the fridge, a little wasabi powder, and one goal: make something that feels like a restaurant meal without leaving my kitchen. So I got to work. Pressed extra firm tofu, cubed it up, then get this. I dipped it in flaxseed meal, yep, no egg needed, rolled it in sesame seeds, and deep fried those golden little bits until crispy. But the real magic? The coconut wasabi sauce. Sauteed red onions, coconut milk, wasabi powder, and a touch of brown sugar. Sweet, spicy, creamy, and a little unexpected. Kind of like if comfort food had a bold side. I served it over hot rice, added lemon wedges, and threw on some crispy garlic bits. Optional toppings? Sure, but if you got roasted sweet corn or fried king kong, which is water spinach, hanging around, don't hold back. One bite and I was like, why haven't I made this before? A little warning, it's dangerously good. Like, might not want to share good.